Hello, thank you for watching Dior Divas 30-day how-to video. Today I have the Dior Divas oil, Dior Divas butt cream, and Dior Divas butt pills. And I have 2 of the butt pills. You take 1 pill, 2 pills. 2 pills 2 times per day with food or milk. First, you take the butt oil and you shake it up, and you take a small amount, put some in your hand to cover your butt, hips, and your thigh area. You have to rub it in. Very good. And your body brush. For your butt, hips, and your thigh area. And then you take your butt cream, put it in your hand for your butt, hips, and your thigh area. You have to rub it all the way in. And then your body brush. And then your saran wrap. And there you go. The 30-day butt cream, 30-day butt pills, and the 30-day butt oil. Bye.